Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will draw pixel art picture, very simple. I will draw Cooky from BT21 and I take only 3 felt pens, black, pink and red. Firstly I take black felt pen and I start my drawing from the top left corner. This box is my top left corner. I count 5 boxes to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and paint 3 boxes to the right. Now 1 box and 6 boxes down. One box, 2 boxes to the left, 1 box diagonally, 7 boxes down, one box, 1 box again, 2 boxes down, and 5 boxes to the right. From this box skip 1 box to the right and color in 5 boxes to the right. Two boxes up, 1 box, 1 box again, 7 boxes up, now turning to the left diagonally and painting 6 boxes to the left. From this box 4 boxes up, now 1 box, 5 boxes to the left, one box. Now from this box 1 box diagonally to the right, and now 6 boxes down. Now from this box go diagonally up and painting 3 boxes up. From this box skip 1 box down, and here we should color 2 boxes. From this box skip 3 boxes to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and painting 2 boxes to the left, and here 2 boxes. From this box skip 1 box down and painting 2 boxes down, and 1 box here. From this box skip 1 box down and painting 2 boxes down, and 1 box here. From this box skip 2 boxes to the right, 1, 2, 3, painting 1 box, 1 box here, and 1 box here. From this box go diagonally to the right and painting 1 box. Now coloring 4 boxes to the right here. From this box skip 1 box to the right and painting 4 boxes here, and 1 box here. And I should color in 3 boxes here. Now I take red felt pen and I color 4 boxes here by red, and here 4 boxes red. And now I take pink felt pen and I should color this cookie, but I leave several boxes uncolored. These boxes, this and this, I leave white uncolored. So that's all. It's very simple, nice pixel art picture cookie. Please give me your likes and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.